Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding that the Earth can no longer shelter us. It's not science fiction. It's a gloomy hypothesis, but increasingly possible. Have you ever wondered, where would we go? How would it be to leave everything behind? What if I told you that maybe, just maybe, we're not alone in this vast dark ocean called the universe? K2-18b is the name of the planet that can change everything we know about life on other planets. A planet hidden 124 light-years from Earth, orbiting a pale and reddish sun, and that now carries a secret that can resonate for all eternity: signs of life. It's not science fiction. It's not conspiracy theory. It's science. It's real. And it's happening now. Today we will reveal in this video something that can change forever the way we look at the sky. So stay until the end of this video with me and be surprised by this incredible news. It all started a few years ago in 2015, like finding a forgotten note in an ancient book covered with stardust. Scientists have discovered a curious planet, silently rotating around a red dwarf star called K2-18. Dolly, the name was born, K2-18b, but it was not just another point in the sky. He was already born promising. This planet orbits its star at an almost perfect distance, within the so-called habitable zone, that narrow band where the temperature is just right, allowing, in theory, the existence of liquid water on its surface. A kind of cosmic middle ground, like the exact point of warm water in the bath, where neither ice burns nor heat consumes, and more. Initial estimates suggested that K2-18b could be a Hycean planet, a newly proposed class of worlds larger than the Earth, covered by vast oceans of liquid water under a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. A true primordial cauldron, similar to the Earth of billions of years ago. But it was in 2019 that the first spark lit up hope. The Hubble telescope detected water vapor in its atmosphere. Water, this almost magical substance that, here on Earth, is the foundation of life, the liquid memory of the planet. Suddenly, the scientific world stopped. K2-18b was no longer a remote possibility and became a concrete promise. For the first time, we detected water vapor on an exoplanet in the habitable zone. It was as if the universe whispered, "Look more closely." Then, in 2023, the most powerful eyes of humanity came on the scene. The James Webb Space Telescope, a celestial oracle with the ability to read light with the precision of a poet deciphering secrets in the wind. He analyzed the light passing through the atmosphere of K2-18b in a tenuous dance between star, planet, and spectrum. And what he saw took our breath away. Methane and carbon dioxide, two compounds rich in carbon, the same element that forms our body, our trees, our breath. They have arisen in proportions that not only suggest an active planet, but a chemically intriguing planet. An atmospheric composition that is not random. Something there seems to be shaping these elements precisely. But it was still little to hit the hammer. Until now, in a recent puff, a whisper coming from the void, a new discovery fell like a bolt of lightning in clear sky. The telescope detected dimethyl sulfide DMS and dimethyl disulfide. These strange names hold something deep. They are potential biomarkers. Here on Earth, dimethyl sulfide is released almost exclusively by living organisms, especially by oceanic phytoplankton, small creatures that float in our seas and silently transform the light of the sun into life. We do not know, until now, any geological process, no non-biological atmospheric event, that can produce these molecules in such abundance. In K2-18b, its concentration is 20 times higher than in the Earth's atmosphere. It is as if that planet was screaming through the darkness, blowing bubbles of life beyond the Milky Way. Hey, there's something alive here. But calm down. It is not yet time to drop the rockets. Science is a lighthouse that walks with long but safe steps. To declare that there is life, one must reach an almost absolute level of confidence, the famous 5 sigma level, or in other words, 99.9999% certainty. Currently, data points to 3 sigma, high, but still insufficient for an official statement. A strong signal, but shrouded in fog, and prudence is required. Astronomer Catherine Hay from Scotland recalls that in alien worlds, unknown chemical phenomena can mimic biological signals. Professor Oliver Shortall of Cambridge also warns, is K2-18b really an ocean planet? Or are we facing a world covered by incandescent lava, without any possibility of harboring life? And there is also a detail raised by the Brazilian astronomer Cássio Barbosa. If the gases detected were really biological origin, we should find certain intermediate compounds in the atmosphere. But these intermediaries have not yet appeared. Doubt, therefore, hovers like a dense cloud between stars. And even so, the moment is historic. We are, perhaps, before the strongest evidence of extraterrestrial life ever found. A breath, a distant echo, a spark that can grow. The James Webb Telescope, activated in 2021, is young. It's like a baby who just opened his eyes to the universe. And he has already found something so promising. More than 5,800 exoplanets have already been confirmed, each a potential seed, a mirror of what life could be: different, strange, beautiful, terrible. And if K2-18b is indeed a world covered by deep oceans, bathed by a rich atmosphere, perhaps there hides an alternative biology, a new tree of life, whose branches do not resemble ours, but whose roots still drink from the same universal source, the chemistry of carbon, water, and light. Perhaps we are about to understand that the Earth has never been alone, that we are part of a cosmic tapestry, entwined by billions of worlds, some silent, others full of still inaudible voices. And when in the future our grandchildren look at the stars and ask when it all started, maybe the answer is, it was with K2-18b. But for now, let's keep the name K2-18b. Perhaps 100 years from now, our descendants will look back and say, that's where it all began. That's when we realized we were never alone. What about you? How did it feel to hear all this? Is 99.7% sure enough to convince you? Or are you the ones who only believe by seeing? Tell me here in the comments. I really want to know what goes through your head now. If this video aroused your curiosity, if it made you look at the sky with other eyes, already leaves the like, subscribe to the channel, and activates the bell, because there is still a lot to explore together. And there is another video waiting for you here on the screen, right now, with another mystery as fascinating as this one. Click on it and continue this journey with me. Until then, keep looking at the stars, because maybe they are looking back